Hey friends, it's Elizabeth here from the Everyday Storyteller, and I am here to share with you the January Start with Story kit. So first off, we're going to start with the journal prompts. We have 40 plus prompts as usual. I believe there's about 42 prompts right here. These are on 2 separate pages, and I actually decided to go along with December's Start with Story kit and create labels for each of the journal prompts, so you can just cut those out and add them to your journal or your memory keeping, and it's just kind of a fun way to add a little bit of extra pizzazz to the journal prompts. This month I've also included a couple of extra labels in the coordinating colors of the kit. So you can see that right here. You can cut those out and add them to a project. You can add your own journal prompts to these or use them as just journaling spots. So that's really kind of fun for the journaling prompts this month. Right, so after the journaling prompts, we also have this PDF that includes the Document Deeper story prompts, and then on the other side, you have the 2 design recipes for the month. So this is something new as of December of 2020. The Document Deeper story prompts are 6 story prompts that kind of lend themselves to deeper storytelling or memory keeping. I definitely think you could create like mini book layouts from these. You could do that with any of the journaling prompts, but these are more laid out for you guys. This one, which is one of my favorites because they're little simple things that maybe we don't think about documenting, is this number 6 Document Deeper prompt, which is what's on your grocery list. Take a photo of your list and document your grocery shopping routine. That's something that I definitely would have taken for granted before, but since COVID, I know that grocery shopping is actually something that definitely can change. So that's something that I really want to make sure is included in my documenting, even though it's something everyday and simple. These are the 2 design recipes that I included for the month. One is traveler's notebook sized, and then one is for a 6x8 layout. I will be including the 6x8 inch design recipe in my start to finish video, which is coming later in the month. And you can definitely cut this out and fold it over. That's usually what I do. And then I add it into my little bin of 4x6 cards, because this is sized to 4x6 so that you can store it with your Project Life cards. All right, so then we have 2 pages that are, I consider, cut apart pages. So these are pages that you could fussy cut. They also, in the kit, are included as cut ready files that you can use with your silhouette. And I also include JPEG files in case you have another type of cutting machine. But this is what it looks like when it comes out of your computer. And this is what it will look like when it is all cut up, which we will get to in a second. But you will have 2 PDFs of cut apart sheets. All right, so also what comes with the kit every single month are 2 pattern papers sized at 7x9. So you can easily cut these apart and make 4x6s, 3x8s, even 6x8s to fit into your mini books. So this is a really fun pattern called Cozy Labels. And then this pattern is called Hobbiness, which is a play on happiness. As you can see, we have a camera, scissors, push pins, paintbrush, some paints, all the fun things that we as crafters really love. So those are the pattern papers. Now we're going to get into the ephemera. So I cut all of these on my silhouette. As I said, I do have SVG files that I include each month. So hopefully that makes it easier for you to cut your cut files. I also include JPEGs as well in case you're using something other than a silhouette. So we have some of these little Post-its, a paintbrush, and some scissors. You'll see that some of these are repeats from the pattern paper. We have a few multicolored push pins, a knitting needle with some knitting, the cute camera from the pattern, this journal, one of my favorite pieces, which is this chair with the little kitty cat and the blanket. And then to go along with that, I have these 2 mugs that say Cat Mom or Dog Mom, which you can use either or both. Going with our theme of rest and relaxation, we also have these cute slippers and a bed with a little nightstand and a picture frame. Definitely had to include this cute desk. I love that pink chair. I wish I had one for my office, and the little desk lamp as well. Since this is the first month of 2021, I thought it was fun to include this 2021 balloon, stack of books, some paints, and then this, which is super cute with all the little post-it notes attached. All right, so then also on the other page of ephemera, we have some tags. One has the camera and then one has the sentiment highlights on there. We have some square journaling spots. One has the stack of books, the other one has the 2021 balloons, and then the last one has the camera. These 3 2-inch circles. This one says all about me, on my list, and so long 2020, hello 2021. Bunch of sentiments like chapter 1, love this memory, let's celebrate this. And then some half circles with the sentiments, I want to remember, snapshot of today, and the story of right now. All right, so that is everything that is included in January Start With Story Kit. I can't wait to see what stories you all tell with this kit this month, and I'm excited to follow along with you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye.